Ooh, that was a mouse head. Whoa. Birds. Ooh, Spencer, look, turkeys. There's turkeys over there. Oh my gosh. Wanna go say hi? Wanna say hi to the turkeys? Oh my goodness. Oh, girl. Come on, kid. Let's say hi to the turkeys. Let's see if they're friendly. Or, ooh, a lot of turkey tracks. It's a turkey trail. Come on, kid. Come on. Amateur tracker. He's an amateur tracker. No, he's just sniffy. No, he's just got sniffy syndrome. Do you have sniffy syndrome? Clear symptoms of sniffy syndrome. Come on, kid. Spencer, come on. Come on, kid. Whoa, turkeys can fly, man. Spencer, what are those things? Come on, kid. Come on, kid. We're tracking turkeys. We're tracking turkeys, aren't we, Sven? I think they all crossed the creek. Oh my gosh, there's so many birds around here. Oh, good. The turkeys made it. They're all safe. Safe from the pup. Very good instincts on the behalf of the turkeys. Uh-oh. How are we going to get through this one, sir? Hey, let's take the high path. Sir, come on. Ooh, turkeys. Turkey activity. What the heck? Oh my gosh. That was literally insane. Oh my gosh, she's gonna pull me down into the river. Isn't that right, Fern? Honk. Well, this is kind of cool. What's up? What's up? It's like, I gotta go to the bathroom. Come on, kid. Whose duck's taunting you, Cern? Come on. Come on, let's go into the forest. The forest. The forest. Yeet. Fern, come on. Hey, what are you doing down there? If you pull me into this river, I'm going to be very disappointed in you. Myself, too. So I got this close, but, you know, it's a puppy dog. Oh, puppy dogs love rivers. Puppy dogs love rivers. Oh my goodness. If only it was fresh water, though. If he goes in, he'll get sick. Actually, I don't know about that. Have to check into it. It's gonna be fun. Hey, Sniffy! Sniffy, you're getting too close. That's literally... come on. Okay. Hey, come on. Hey, kid. Okay, kid. Let's... Oh, no. Don't lie down in the mud. Spencer. Knucklehead. Ah! Icebergs. They're breaking off. Actually, you want to send off an iceberg, sir? That'd be cool. I don't think I can, though, unfortunately. Joannie. Check this shit out. He's like, what you do, dude? You go forward. Look ahead. Who's knucklehead around here? You knucklehead. Come on. Hey, what are you sniffing down there? Hey, I don't trust you when you get this vigorously sniffy in an unfamiliar area. You sniffing down there? What does the puppy dog sniff when he's sniffing all the time? Alright, come on. As long as you're not licking poop or something. Come on. Very athletic puppy dog I've seen today. You want to... Oh! Oh, there you go. Come on! Hop! Hoppity hop! Hoppity hoop! Sandra, come on! Hoppity hoop! Sandra, hoppity hoop! Come on! This side! Come on! He loves to jump! He loves to jump! Come on, kid! Oh, he doesn't sing. Oh, okay. What are you? Okay. Now he's got mittens. Now he's wearing mittens. He's wearing mud mittens. Aw, Fern. What are you thinking? You've lost your marbles. Come on, kid. Ah. I don't want to climb the pile, Fern. I don't climb the pile. Ah. I'm trying, Fern. Oh. I made it. I made it. We're at the... No, now he wants to get off. No, what am I going to do? Sandra, come. Come on up. Get up on the hill. Get up on the pile. Whoa. Yeah, I saw that squirrel. Yo, what is that? You okay? What is that? What's wrong? What is it, Fern? You see something? Oh my gosh. He's spooked, whatever it is. He is spooked. Hey, let's investigate. What is it, Fern? He's like, no, I ain't taking any chance. I'm getting out of here. He's like, no, you don't even want to know what I saw, dude. I'm protecting your brain. You are. Just follow me. All right, just follow me. Come on, just follow me. We'll make it out of here alive. I know we will. You don't even want to know. Dude, this is crazy. Bro, we gotta get out of this forest. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, we made it. Except there's a branch. So what did you see back there, Fern? What was that? Hey, you okay, kid? What was that? Speak to me. What'd you see? What'd you see back there? Doesn't even know. It's okay, though. It's okay. You okay, kid? You wanna go hang out on this rock? Your favorite rock? Well, second favorite rock. Come on. Up. Be a sphinx. Oh, no, it's slippery. Oh, careful. There's ice on it. Oh, okay, never mind. He's handsome.